channel, or welcome back. Today we're gonna be watching Frankenstein. So this is gonna be the start of my, actually it's not the start because I've watched Sinners, but I will rewatch it for this channel to do a reaction. I didn't do a reaction. I watched it in theaters when it came out, like last year, when the that was early mid last year, all that. But I will be rewatching it for you. But today it's about Frankenstein. There's synopsis says Oscar winner Guillermo del Toro reimagines Mary Shelley's classic tale of a brilliant scientist and the creature his monstrous ambition brings to life. Alright, so it's got a few nominations. It's the best picture, so that's why I'm watching it. Jacob Elordi got nominated for best supporting actor. Pretty sure it says there Mia Goth and Oscar Isaac are also in this movie. It's got Guillermo del Toro. Benicio del Toro is in One Battle After Another, which I will be watching also. So yeah. It's a classic story. I don't know what different they'll do to it this time, but it's basically, like Dr. Frankenstein creates a monster and bada bing bada boom. We'll see what difference Guillermo does with it this time. I've heard people really like this movie, also people a bit skeptical and stuff like that. I don't know. So yeah, we'll see. Let's get into it. Prelude. Oh, interesting. This is gonna be like chapters and all that. Farthermost North, 1857. Cool.
Mændene er sultne og udmattet. Vi kan ikke arbejde i den her fart, uden det kommer til at få konsekvenser.
Vi udsætter arbejdet! Det faster et greb ved isen for i os. Hold dem i gang.
Vi mener ikke, hun har søgt de ret meget længere, og de har brug for at vide, at de kan komme hjem til.
Efter! Det er hverken op til jer, eller først styrmanden her. Jeg mener noget som helst. Vi har påtaget os et værv, og vi vil fuldføre det. Er det vores stål?
Velkommen til!
Alright. It is what it is, I guess.
Gør en håndfuld mænd klar.
Is that blood?
Der er en såret mand. Han har mistet meget blod.
Oh, it's okay. Oh.
På bånd!
Yeah, you gotta run. You gotta. What is that? Is that the creature? Yeah, it is him. Oh no! Wow.
Bring him to me!
Bad idea.
Victor! Jeg slog den ihjel!
No. Still alive. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, smart. Maybe the ship can move now. Oh, that's also an option.
Dang in the freezing waters, it's dead.
No, it is not!
I've tried to destroy it.
It will come back for me.
Oh, I believe you.
Dad, you must promise that you will put me out on the ice and let it take me.
What manner of devil made him?
I did.
Yeah.
I had determined that the memory of my evils should die with me. My name is Victor. Victor Frankenstein. And my mother.
Okay. Backstory. Okay, interesting. Victor's tale, cool.
My father was a baron and a preeminent surgeon. He had married my mother largely out of convenience.
Cool.
The entire household bent to his will.
Charles Dance.
You eat for two, remember?
Is that Mia Goth?
Guardian angel, sweet companion,
Okay.
at my side and do not leave me.
The man despised us both.
There's no spiritual content in tissue, no emotion in a muscle. Now, describe the main function of the tricuspid valve, please.
I cannot recall, Father, but I'm sure I will remember.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. By the time you remember a fact, your patient could be dead. You understand?
Well, yeah, okay. Oh, he's been punished.
No, not your hands. Not anymore. Your face, however, is vanity.
Shuffle.
Is that birth?
Mother?
Is she gonna die?
Father! Father, c'est Mama! Father! Father! Save her, please!
Lord, yeah. Of course.
A part of the universe had been hollowed out, and the firmament was now permanently dark.
Now, cover your eyes. Don't look until I tell you to.
Who's that? Is
Now.
William grew full of
oh, brother.
iron and smile.
Okay, cool.
He was the breeze, I was the storm cloud. An idea took shape in my mind.
Father,
Okay, why are you gonna ask him?
you let her die, did you not?
I did everything in my power to save her. You must know that.
So you failed.
No one can conquer death.
That is true.
I will. I will conquer it. Everything you know, I will know, and more.
I was born anew that night. I had
Oh.
a vision. A dark angel.
Okay,
Made
alright.
me a promise.
What was that?
I would have command over the forces of life and death. The vision was so clear. Clearer than anything I'd ever seen in my waking hours or dreams. But how?
Still alive.
We kept the estate, but lost everything else.
That sucks. For him, not for the people who are now free. Good for them.
Life. This is life.
Okay, 2 years before the
We are
tale,
born.
before present day.
And no sooner do we rise, we fall. Death. But if we are to behave as immodestly as gods, we must, at the very least, deliver miracles. Wouldn't you say?
Okay, what miracle are you gonna?
Ignite a divine spark in these young students' minds and stop death. Not slow it down, but stop it entirely.
Silence! Silence!
Is it gonna work? Oh!
Now, the spasmodic movement of the body caused from the electric current, this is not new. It's not new. However, the flow of energy through the body follows a different notion entirely.
This is a hearing doctor, not a carnival act.
Trickery. Are you sure? That is not trickery, that is a decision.
Oh!
Eye of one dead man and the arm of another. Release now. Please. Please always helps.
And God takes it, Victor.
Perhaps God is enough! Professor Krempe.
Intriguing. All right. I would say Jacob is a good bet to play this because of the he's so tall and everything. Yeah.
Elizabeth Hollander, a very nice young lady, fresh from convent life. William has become quite successful in the world of finance.
Okay, so Bial played two people in this. Okay.
I thought he was brilliant.
Of course he did.
I will show you something extraordinary.
Oh. All right, big talk.
The peach. Turn the peach. Turn it. You bit it again. You're eating the peaches.
Goodbye,
Already a passion of mine.
Did you bring the pepper?
No, thank you.
Kiki. What a nickname.
Exquisite. Is it not? Flesh rendered onto wood.
Oh.
Flow of energy, scarring and regeneration beyond anyone's imagination.
Life eternal. I will endow your pursuit with unlimited resources.
For what purpose?
And in exchange?
Yeah.
No need to become indelicate. We're searchers for truth and transcendence, kindred spirits. I may in time ask you for a favor in return, but it's mostly the privilege to record your process for posterity.
I work alone.
I'm very quiet.
He was a most tactful man, our father. Precise, discreet, measured.
I, on the other hand, fail to see why modesty is considered a virtue at all.
Victor's always been one to harvest attention.
If life can be regenerated, not as a mere simulation, but as a divine act by physical, chemical means, why whisper it? You laugh? You're amused?
I must be, yes.
Are my ideas not clear?
You certainly expressed them loudly enough. Honor, country, valor, these surely are worthwhile, elevated ideas by themselves, wouldn't you agree?
Mm-hmm.
And nevertheless, men are dying for them, in a decidedly unelevated way. Face down in the mud, choking on blood, screaming in pain. Men that were fathers, brothers or sons to someone out there.
Is that milk?
That is what happens when ideas are pursued by fools.
And you think me a fool?
Yeah, probably.
The game of chess we play. We play only against ourselves.
Oh, damn.
Det er nok bedst, hvis de følger med.
That man was... Oh, bro.
Mændene er rædselsslagne. De vil have, vi skal tage ham manden og smide ham ud på isen igen. Så det hele overstået.
Han er under min beskyttelse. Han er under beskyttelse af kronen.
I could feel destiny calling.
Aqua is vita. Water is life.
The structure's basically intact.
Aha! That's a good shot.
A bargain has been struck.
Okay, alright. They're not laughing at the people dying, it's just the reaction. Oh boy.
Time doesn't pay, and it's the poor showing of it we have here. They're wretches, every one of them.
I've seen that actor before and stuff. I need to look up the cast to see. The picture in my mind, I don't remember his name. I'm pretty sure I saw he was in Torchwood. Yeah. What, he's gonna go in there? Oh, come on. Oh, brother.
Sin of intent, not deed.
Oh.
A man, is it?
Yes, my fiancé's brother.
Lust.
Hatred.
Hatred. Hatred.
The man is appalling. grotesque. You can see him, even on a busy street on market day.
Was it worth it?
Is anything?
Guess not.
The main road has a fast.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was something to do with like the bodies. As in, like extracting from the bodies as well.
You're not going to catch her.
Hanging out with his fiance too. Can you believe that?
Beautiful.
Tragic, tragic. Hand did not move. Damn.
I shall leave you your privacy.
No need for a subterfuge between us. Chimes to a man's dream.
Oh wow, interesting.
Flush that for me, will you, Baron?
A week to determine how to deliver the current. Impossible.
I believe she missed you.
Ah, boy.
For you, Elizabeth, I've been working on a dissection.
Beautiful.
There is a bond between us. Can you feel it? An almost physical one. I truly believe it to be something else.
Believing something does not make it true.
Burn!
I have chosen. Good night.
Elizabeth!
Is she gonna die?
Elizabeth!
Oh, okay, good. I thought she was gonna trip down the stairs and... Okay, he couldn't wait to put on some clothes, but alright, okay.
Placing the battery above the lymph.
Okay, wow.
Montage.
So wild, rich people, you know? It's like, I don't care about the morality or that, like, these are humans. They're just like a science experiment now. Man. Oh, I love that. Just beautiful. Him saying it's finished and then it goes dark and then the lightning and thunder. Yeah.
Are you ill?
Thank you.
Something's wrong with him.
One night with Venus, a lifetime with Mercury, isn't that the phrase? And as we give life to our new Adam, I want to be placed in this new perfect body.
How?
No!
Yo, that is wild!
Please! Please, it always helps.
Every organ in you is polluted! Your brain, your blood, it's all polluted!
My money is not, is that it?
It's impossible!
Oh, he's gonna hold you hostage.
What are you doing? Stop! Hard enough! Oh, look at me!
Oh! Damn. Horrible way to go. Better that than a syphilis, I guess. Ah, man, ano. It's gonna work, we know it works, but it's gonna be something messed up. very cool, very cool, very cool. Is that the same statue?
Sun is life. The wall. Yes.
Wow.
Water. Water. All right. You stay.
I never considered what would come after creation.
Nope, you did not.
And having reached the edge of the earth, there was no horizon left. No matter the cost. You share my madness. Perhaps there is a finer point in me telling you my story. Whether there is or isn't, Baron, I'd like to hear it. Weeks passed.
Can't blame him, it's a nice story.
Do sleep for me. Tending to you. No, stop. Let go, no. Open your hand. Open. Look what you've done. You have to listen to me. You have to listen. I said drop it. No. Don't touch me. Don't ever touch me.
It's closed.
But how?
No.
All right.
Oh boy, trouble in the set night rune.
Can you say boots?
Big time.
How about hand? Can you say hand? Hand.
Is my uncle here?
Nope.
Are you running a fever?
I am just very excited to see you.
Bad decision. Or is it a good one? I'm thinking bad. Wait, this is still part 1, Victor's Tale. Wow, it's been going for a while. I almost forgot. She's way too... Hello, way too trusting. Not me. I would not be.
Why is he chained here?
For his own safety and for mine, it's easier to clean and maintain it. And it doesn't know any better.
Should you?
Is it intelligent? Victor, did you ever ask yourself, of all the parts that make that man, which one holds the soul?
He did not ask that at all.
No, I didn't.
Cause his father said... I like that. It's just that the shot is so up close that it feels larger than he actually is. Interesting choice. Wait, does he eat?
Elizabeth. My throat makes sound.
Elizabeth.
You should not go near it.
It. In those eyes I saw pain, and what is pain if not evidence of intelligence?
What about my pain? What about what you have denied me? What my heart wants?
Nobody cares about that, bro.
Your heart.
Boo! Get off the stage!
Of all the human anatomy, that is the organ furthest from your understanding.
I believe that.
Come on! Give it to me, beast!
See, knew that was a bad idea. Oh, behind the man.
Harlan. In a fit of rage, he killed him.
Wow.
You understand now why I was hesitant to share this with you? And certainly not with Elizabeth.
Trash.
The creature, what's its lifespan, you think?
Brief. Very brief, I'm sure.
He's gonna try to kill it, but it's not gonna work. He doesn't even care about that. Damn.
Say one word. One word more. Anything. Make me save you.
Victor. Elizabeth.
No wonder the creature wants to kill Victor. It's your own fault, Victor, why the creature hits you. Ooh! Oh!
But that was not the end of it.
Yes.
Now listen to me.
Whoa!
Do not harm him. I'm here.
My maker told his tale.
Now you tell yours.
And I will tell you mine.
Ooh. Cool.
I called your name and understood I was alone.
It's gonna go down there. Yeah. Smart. What happened here? A battle of some sort? Would assume so. Oh!
My wounds had healed.
Yeah.
I felt cold. So cold.
Is there anyone here or empty? Yeah, I see somebody. Pretty sure I saw someone. Oh, someone actually lives here. Whoops.
These people possessed a sound, used it to tell each other about feelings and ideas. They called them words.
Give us a hand.
Ah, intriguing.
What could I possibly do for them?
Anna Maria, who could have done this?
The spirit of the forest. We should thank him.
Thank you. The world and I were at peace.
Not for long, though, I suspect.
A feeling became clear to me. The hunter did not hate the wolf. The wolf did not hate the sheep, but violence felt inevitable between them. This was the way of the world, just for being who you are.
Kinda. Not gonna lie, kinda, for true.
It's just you and I now, Spirit.
I would present myself to the old man.
Okay, what did
Would
you
he
do?
fear me? With a single step, I entered a different world.
Are you afraid? No need to be. I will be delighted to share what little I have with you. Would be greatly helped by your companionship. Make this your home, and I your friend.
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 And it was then that I read my first story.
So nice.
Time passed and fell away with the leaves of autumn.
You gotta leave soon.
Nothing beside remains round the decay of...
Nice, nice.
Many years ago, I took a man's life. And I have been atoning for it since.
I remember fire and water and word.
Victor?
A single word. Victor.
Poetry. Word.
And then I learned it. The horror of the truth.
Very cool. I like that shot. I like it. I like it very much. Oh no! Oh! Are they people gonna come back and see?
You came back.
I found what I am. Assembled from refuse and the discarded dead. A monster.
I know what you are. A good man. And you are my friend.
Yeah. Friend. Not very profound, but sorry, I just... Yeah, friend.
Who's that thing? Get it!
Oh! They're gonna get themselves killed.
There was silence again, and then merciless life. The cold winter air stung in my lungs.
Wild.
Death, a gift you two had denied me.
I know it is bad luck to see the bride before the ceremony.
Only for the groom.
Yes, that's right. Not for me.
Nope, not for you, Victor.
I wish you and my little brother, who I love more than life, the very best.
You may like to believe you do.
But she knows
Bet
better.
you even hear it.
She knows better. Why am I speaking with that accent?
Leave!
Damn. Yeah. Oh, showdown.
Come out of the shadows. Need you to make a companion form.
I see.
Well, that can happen.
I am obscene to you, but to myself I simply am. Begone! The miracle is not that I should speak, but that you would ever listen!
Elizabeth, move away from it!
Oh!
It attacked her! It attacked her!
William died.
I can save you. I can save you. From what? From you? You are the monster.
And dead.
And longed for something I could not quite name, but I knew I found it. Better this way, to fade, with your eyes gazing upon me.
Yep, she's gone, Victor.
She is gone, and I long to follow. You thought me a monster. Now I return the favor.
Oh!
Kill me! Kill me now! Do it! I will make you bleed. You hunted me past the far
Okay. Wow.
until there was nothing left. Just you and me.
Okay, so this explains how we get here. Cool.
What are you hunting? Big game.
Oh, indeed. Oh!
Light it then and hope it does. But if it does not, I will come for you again. Light it!
Wow.
I could feel my singed flesh regrowing, the crackling of my bones resetting.
Okay, this explains a lot.
Here we are, spent and done. No more in us to give or take.
Love that.
I'm sorry. Fade away.
Die.
Tis all nothing.
Believable. Damn.
The tide that brought me here now comes to take you away.
Forgive me, my son, while you are alive. What recourse do you have but to live?
Good point. But how? I don't know.
Say my name. My father gave me that name, and it meant nothing. Now I ask you to give it back to me. One last time, Victor.
I forgive you. Rest. Now, Father, we can both be human.
Is he gonna push the ship? Nice. And thus the heart will break, yet brokenly live on. Lord Byron. Cool. Oh, Guillermo del Toro wrote this. Ah. But obviously it's, yeah. Established property, but you know, yeah. Frankenstein. Christoph Waltz, yep. Sorry, I haven't seen him so long, but I was pretty sure this is Christoph Waltz, isn't it? And it is. Alright. Alright, so that was Frankenstein. It was very, very interesting. A lot to go through here. Also, just update, I found out the name of the guy who was the executioner is Burn Corman, and I did see him Torchwood, also in Pacific Rim. So yeah, I knew his face. Okay, right. What do I say about this? So I rated this a 4 out of 5 on Letterboxd, and yeah, I can't give it higher. It's not a 5 out of 5. Like, obviously it's extremely well made, it's beautifully shot, and I love some of the cinematography and the choices that they made, and it's a very good movie. But you know, it just kind of I felt like around the middle, like shortly after, if I keep it in the edit, I don't know if I keep it in the edit, but there's a part like an hour in or something like that where it's like when there was like an hour left, and there's like a little bit some time before we get to the creatures part, that and it kind of felt like a stop. I don't know, maybe it was just me being uncomfortable, maybe I see it wrong, I don't know, but you know, it kind of felt like okay. Well, and then I was like into it, and then I was like, and but the creatures part brought me back up to life, and I managed to flow through the rest, and yeah, I get it. Okay, so let me deal with so acting amazing. I don't think anything was wrong with any performance I saw. Apparently this is very faithful to the original story. I haven't read it, you know, just what we see in like popular culture. That's my knowledge of Frankenstein. But yeah, so no, but this being close to the original story does make a lot of sense with the incorporation of the time period and everything feeling of that time. So it makes sense. I can see how this is like faithful to the Mary Shelley version. So hopefully I can. No, I should read that, you know, one day. Clock it. Alright. Okay, but acting brilliant. I can see why Jacob Elordi got nominated, because you can tell he did a lot. He put his heart and soul into this, and he was the creature, you know. Obviously I know it's Jacob Elordi, I see it, but I'm also seeing the creature, and there's enough for me to suspend, you know, my disbelief and to practice dissonance, the right word? Some kind of dissonance to believe, okay, he's a creature and he doesn't know what he's doing, and he's just new to this world, kind of like Emma Stone in Poor Things, but different. Yeah, so yeah, so it's kind of like that performance, but not like it. So because of how similar it is, but also not like it, because he's doing his own thing, and you can tell it's not the same thing. I can see why he got a nomination. Yeah. Well, I have nominated Oscar Isaac. I don't know. I need to see the other performances for who were nominated for Best Actor. I know Timothy Chalamet in Martyr Supreme. There is Michael B. Jordan in Sinners. Michael played two persons and it was very good as both. So I see Timothy in Martyr Supreme, Leo in One Battle After Another. Who was nominated? Okay, so Ethan Hawke in Blue Moon, Raglan Mura in The Secret Agent. So I've only seen one of those 5 performances, so I can't comment on anything else like that. So The Secret Agent got nominated for Best Picture, right? Begonia, F1, Frankenstein, Hamlet, March Supreme, One But After Another, The Secret Agent, Sentimental Value, Sinners, and Train Dreams. So the only one I'm not sure I will get to see is Blue Moon, because it's my intention to watch as many of the Best Picture nominations that are available. So F1, Frankenstein, Sinners, Train Dreams, Sentimental Value, One But After Another, and Begonia. I know I'll be able to see those. I'm not sure about Marriage Supreme and Hamlet. Yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, so I would not pick The Stowing Best Picture. Sinners is better. Did I think that? Hold on, let me see what I rated Sinners. Well, no, never mind, because I'm gonna rewatch Sinners. Basically like months later, and I the basic. This is not a Sinners. Anyway, okay, so Frankenstein. So Letterboxd says only monsters play God. Dr. Victor Frankenstein, a brilliant but egotistical scientist, brings a creature to life in a monstrous experiment that ultimately leads to the undoing of both the creator and his tragic creation. So actually, his creation is not undone. The creature actually gains after Victor is undone. Isn't that interesting? But Victor loses his brother, his brother's fiance who had a crush on, his benefactor, Harlander, and leg, and then his life, just everything undone. For this goal, he had to be he saw this vision to be better than his father, and that didn't happen. And he likes a woman who looks so much like his mother, because I'm pretty sure Mia Goth played the mother. Okay, so Freud much? Like, come on, what are we doing here? Let me confirm, because I'm 95% sure. Right, she plays Elizabeth as well as Kara Frankenstein. Oh, right. Okay, yeah, so extremely well done. And so this movie is themed about, there are two conflicts in him. In the creature's part, it's about identity, and in Frankenstein's part, it's about pride, ambition. Yeah, it's just like, because he sets this vision for himself, and he aims to complete that. In the end, he just loses everything because he's so arrogant and prideful, and he thinks he can play God. In the end, he becomes a monster because he creates something that the creature he cannot. And Victor's so easy to lie and sick people, and I'm like, oh, the creature did this, the creature killed Harlan, the creature killed Elizabeth. Like, come on. Just quick to lie, and nah, can't work with that, bro. And but the creature is just like this pure, and then he just gets corrupted because his friend dies, and like the old man who's played by David Bradley, who was oh my gosh, Walter Frey and Walter, I think it's pretty sure it's Walter, not Walter. Walter Frey and Lord Frey. Also he played William Hartnell in the Doctor Who movie, as well as the first Doctor and some subsequent things. Anyway, right, and I didn't realize it was him. Truthfully told, but well done. But like the makeup and okay, here's that, and then the beautiful, and the CGI amazing. That's like I said, everything technically was top notch. Like some of it, you could tell it was CGI, but then it was so well done. It's like I gotta give it my props, you know. But it's like a story about identity, and you feel the creature, but you also feel for Victor a little bit because he's so broken and chasing this dream, and he didn't think about what would happen after because he achieved what he set out to do. He wanted to create the creature, and he did, but to what end, at what cost, you know? And it's just interesting to think about that he did all this and ended up losing everything because he didn't think things through. He was just so focused on completion and did not think about what do we do after this, what happens. Hate to see it. Very sad. It's a sad tale. Hopeful for the right step. How can it go for it? He can't die, and he's got to live. But how will he live? How will he make his way in this world that is predisposed to hate him because of how he looks, and the fact that he can't die, and the fact that he's made up of different parts and he's different people, and how? Guillermo loves his monsters, doesn't he? Yeah, man. I'm just amazed. Anyway, yeah. So this is a story about love, identity, pride, ambition. Hebrews, no. The love, intentions. You know, it's the whole bag of things, and amazing journey. Yeah, can't give it the 5, but I can explain why. But you know, yeah, well done. Yeah, those are my thoughts. Goodbye.